In this video, I want to show you how to remove a headlight on your Volvo XC70 or S80, and maybe also the S60. I'm not sure about this. So what you need to do, okay, this is the easiest headlight removal in the industry. I really like what Volvo did. You see, these are two pins. Simply have to put your finger and lift. You don't need any tool to remove a headlight, okay? Simply put this aside, and same thing over here. With your finger, remove the pin. And now the headlight unit is loose. Now I only have a hand, I'm holding the camera with my other hand, but with two hands it's a bit more secure to do that. You simply have to slide the headlight out. Okay, here we go. You see, it's going out simply by pushing it forward and then trying to slide it. And you'll have access to the wiring harness behind it. To remove it, simply press with your finger over here and pull it. Okay, this is the release mechanism. Many times these wires will be melted over here. It's not the case on this model, on this unit, but sometimes you have to replace the harness as well if you see that it's getting melted around. To put your headlight back, simply have to slide it back in place the same way it was and put back the pins. Okay. If you see that it doesn't go in, make sure that the headlight is properly aligned and the pin actually has somewhere where to go. You may have to push the headlight a bit more or align it better. Okay, that goes well, and the pin should be pointing forward towards the front of the car. Okay, like this. Okay, and now it's not going anywhere. I wish every car had headlights as easy to remove as this Volvo. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I will see you in the next video.